How to recover a WhatsApp View Once photo. Here's what you need to know. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. Tap the profile icon if you're using an iPhone, or tap the three-dot menu and select Settings on Android. Next, tap Storage and Data. Then select Manage Storage. Choose the chat where you received the View Once photo. Now look through the media in that conversation. If the View Once photo does not appear, it cannot be recovered through WhatsApp. View Once photos and videos are automatically deleted after they are opened and are not stored in your chat media or managed storage. The only time you may still see the image is before opening it for the first time. Once it has been viewed and closed, WhatsApp permanently removes it by design. If you need to keep an important image, ask the sender to send it again as a regular photo, instead of using the View Once feature. And that's it. That's how View Once photos work on WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.